So what's up, guys? Your boy here, and we are still going on actually with the customization of the bed. Now we have reached that point of actually fixing those drawers, and I'm still going on. This is step one of the drawer. So guys, we are still going on. And if the first time you come across to the channel, this is your boy, I am underscore Hosea. Guys, we love you from this part of East Africa, Kenya, Nyaboanse village. And we thank God that everything is good. So the bed is actually almost. So we have remained with this customization of actually the fix of those drawers. And then already here, this one it's done. Where, how do we call it, Kim?
Which one?
This one, where the mattress is just going to lie.
Matandiko.
Matandiko in Kiswahili.
Call it matandiko in Kiswahili.
Yeah.
But I'll, oh God, English is not easy.
English is
but
not
maybe
easy.
Someone can tell us so that we will
Over the
never
comment section.
struggle with that.
Yeah.
How is this top called? Where the mattress will be lie on?
Anyway. Mattress top.
Mattress top. Yes.
Now you can just say hi.
The mattress top is here.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Royal King. The King is KWM. I'm doing a premiere here.
That's why I can see you are like you are hurry.
Yeah, please guys, around to 800 watch hours here.
Yeah.
Please give us the hours. We have a lot of playlists in this channel.
Yeah.
Please help us get the hours. We want to monetize in less than 1 month.
Imagine.
Yes.
Guys, we believe that with you,
yes,
everything will be just fine, huh?
Exactly.
So team Kim,
yeah,
team Hosea,
yeah,
team wherever team where you are just coming from, if the first time,
yeah,
take your time.
Let's do this
to actually support the channel.
Exactly.
So I'm still going on with this.
Yeah, and see you have the drawer rails.
Rails, yeah.
Hey.
The manganyu one.
So these are the manganyu.
Yeah.
Wow, this is
the improved one.
Improved one.
Not the local way.
The drawer will really be happy.
Yeah.
If it was a person, it would be very happy.
Actually.
Yeah. Let me answer comments.
Yeah.
Before people start saying, where is Kim?
Where is Kim? Yeah.
I'm coming right
and you know you. So guys, keep tuned, keep locked as we are still going on with this customization of this beautiful bed. Yeah, multi-million bed at Royal King's sunrise cabin. So we believe, we trust that everything will be just fine, and trust you all, guys. And the other part over here, they are just going to manganyu. So everything is good. And another brother from the distance. A brother from another mother from a distance.
Yo guys, life with Makori in the building.
Yeah.
This is life with Makori, guys. We are here. We are a team working on this house to make it more better.
Sure.
So guys, please you can check me out live with Makori. And in case you have not subscribed to this, I am underscore Hosea. Please kindly take him to 2,000 subscribers, and also he needs your watch hours.
Yeah.
I know how you do that. Please go and play his playlist so that you can support him the way you supported me. Less than 100 hours for me to monetize. So guys, yeah, I also need your watch hours. So thank you so much, guys. As you continue supporting us, you are changing lives in the village.
Wow.
Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned as we are doing this multi-million bed. And we also bought this. It will be running
smoothly.
No
cornering.
No cornering.
So we are just going to fix this one. This one will allow at a fixed place, not moving.
Yeah.
And this one is going
will be on the mid.
It will not lie on the drawer. We are just going to fix it at the main.
This side.
Yeah, like that side.
Oh, you will be fixing it here.
Yeah.
So this other side.
This will be fixed at this here. Yeah.
Okay, so it is this one.
Yeah, this one just going to be fixed here.
You will fix on this.
So this actually it will be raised a bit. Yeah, like okay, this is how we are going to fix it. This is the screw that will be holding it from this point here. Maybe we've put 4 of them at the midpoint, all like on a distance here. So when you pull it, it will just go.
So this one will be okay. Okay, I'm understanding it.
Yeah. So let
So
it be at this point.
it
What's up, guys? It's another day, a blessed day, and we thank mighty God for He has actually granted us with this beautiful day. Wherever you're watching this, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. And guys, it's a blessed day. Wow, we thank God. So we can hear the sound. It's still morning, still morning, still morning. Guys, life is just like changing here. We have a lot of things, and as you can have a look at, we have our grill, yeah, for grilling, you know. And this one actually it's more different compared or considered to other those grills. You can have a look at how it looks. Chopping board over here. Wow, this is like Jamaicans, you know, these things like Jamaicans, yeah. So you can have a look at. Wow, really amazing. And this is where you sit. And this is a stopper. We have the stopper. Maybe when you rotate, for example, and then you put the stopper in a such a way it stops there. That's how the stopper functions. Wow. Have a look at how it was actually uh, made. Oh, amazing, 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 guys. So we are here at Royal Kim farm. Beautiful, beautiful place, guys. With a lot of flowers. How beautiful it is, as you can have a look at. And it's just going on with also fencing with this actually polythene fence, which is really good, as you can have a look at from a distance, for him actually to have to feel privacy sometimes. And we are still going on with the construction of this build of a multi-million bed, guys. So we are still going on with it. Want to smoothen this cover. This is the actually for the draw, and we are going on. Yesterday we did this, and I think it's really ready, really ready. So it's just we are just going to fix some glue on top of this area, the glue, and then we smoothen it again by the sandpaper, by the use of sandpaper. What do you think? And then, guys, let's go inside. Actually, he is not around. The horn of the place, he have gone to this Banya border, but I communicated with him that I'll be around. So here I am. Here I am, and I believe everything's just going to be fine. Guys, we have the tools, we have our multi-million bed going on, working on it. Sure, sure, sure. Let me use this gimbal. I don't know the owner of this gimbal, but I'm just going to use it. Meanwhile, yeah, because sometimes actually you find I usually do some of the videos, not showing you how the processes are taking place, and maybe other things, because I don't have the gimbal. I've not managed to have the gimbal, sure, or something like can hold maybe my phone. And the reason like why my videos actually shake sometimes, I know it affects you guys when you find that you play it on your screen or your TV, and it actually shakes a lot, because maybe when you move uh, with the phone, you know, when you move, you might find that your head or moving. So that's why you usually, or that's why actually those videos usually shake. Like the video, you know, I found this comment from my brother or my boss, I am Marwa, my videos are much shaking. So that's the reason. And I believe if I gonna have my gimbal or my GoPro, sometimes when you use the GoPro, even if you are moving, like there are some of the videos I've been doing with when I borrow I usually borrow this GoPro from my brother Royal Kim when he's free. Maybe like if you my returning views, you can see those ones, like I've been doing videos when I went to border to Sirare to Tanzania there, and we bought the barrel wali with Krython. Actually, those videos were not shaking because we were using the GoPro. I believe they were much good, and the quality it was good because we were using that actually GoPro. But consider to the camera or to the phone, it shakes a lot. And I believe that a lot of videos, that's why maybe you guys or my new subscribers, my returning viewers, sometimes when they start watching the videos, you find that they shake. When something is really quality, it has a good quality, it can't affect you, and it motivates you, like you feel like, let me watch it, let me see what's going to happen, or let me watch this video, sure, so that I can support my brother or my son there. But when it shakes, it does not motivate you, feel like it's just going to affect your eyes, or it's just going to affect you. So that's why. But I believe if I'm gonna have this GoPro or something, I would be just be comfortable, and I would be doing good or about the videos. Yeah, guys. So let's proceed actually with this work of today, and I believe everything will be fine. So today we are just going to work out or about this multi-million bed, the drawers. Actually, that's the point that we have remained with, or about the drawers. Let me use we have remained with this part of doing these drawers, and then if today, I think today, I believe we are just going to work out about these drawers, and then maybe tomorrow we can do all about sandpaper or smoothing it, and then painting it. So by today, tomorrow, I believe that everything will be done. So right now, guys, let's go and check out and work out about this actually beautiful Multimillion bed from this beautiful village, Nyabohanse. Guys, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, remember, when you subscribe, turn on that notification bell for more amazing videos or content. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Give the video a like, subscribe, guys. Share the link. Guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go inside and start actually with this project of this Multimillion bed. Guys, my guys, welcome, and enjoy the video till the end. Going on with the drawer, this the actually I did it yesterday. I used to fix it with the glue, and today I'm just going to fix the other side. And then we have the rollers, I think we used to show you, and we recognize, or we have to fix them after this. So I think I'm just going to move this one out, and then I will just be working from outside or about these drawers, and then I believe everything will be fine, guys. Let's go outside and do this multi-million project of those actually things from there. Let me open it. This one is really ready, guys, but too heavy. Red and heavy. Oh my god. Ready and heavy. Oh, heavy and ready. Guys, what do you think? So this is our working point. Let me set my phone. guys, here we have the lumber, and we want to fix this actually bed. So I mean not the drawers. So we are just going to use some of the nails and some of the things here. So with also a glue. How are we going to use it? Let me first of all we have to do this. Yeah. So from there we have some of the nails here, and those nails we used to cut the heads. Where are the nails? These are the nails, and we used to cut the heads or the top, where when you hit it or when you ham it, it holds. For example, this one, these are the heads that I'm talking about. This one, you cut them, and then they remain in such a way. From there, let me have some of them. Actually, like I left here yesterday. Why it was dark, late hours. Yeah. We are also going to use our glue, this professional white glue. So we have the nails. We hit them at this timber or lumber. These nails, you can see some of the nails running on this actually lumber, and then from that point we are just going to fix or to add our glue. So I usually use my finger, or that's actually like gives me the good, or I like using these. Yeah man, so this is the glue. So we have our glue on top of that, actually lumber. Now we are just going to fix it at this point. Let me see. Wow. You have to put it. Make sure, measure it. The 100% of it. Oh my God. Yeah. Start. Let me turn it in such a way. Yeah, that's the point. Wow. Now it's fully. So we are just going to use our clamp over here. So we have our clamp. It's already fixed inside the clamp. We cross or we actually try pushing it together by the use of this clamp. Yeah, man. So we will leave it over here. It's already actually tied with our clamp. We are going to leave it here for like less than 30 minutes or even an hour for the glue to dry up, and then we'll be back for it, smoothen actually both sides, and then ready to paint and actually to install it at the bed. So those are the steps that have remained from this drawer, and fixing at these other ends. At the end of the day, we're just going to show you the end product of it, guys.